Hi, my name is Susie Q, and I'm the owner and maker of Glitter with Susie Q. Welcome to my channel, and I really hope that you enjoy what we're making today. Please visit my website. There you will find all the tumblers that I make and my glitter collection. If you like the content that you're seeing, please subscribe, like, and share. You can also connect with me on my social accounts at Glitter with Susie Q. Hey everyone, today we are going to be making this large oval tray. I got this mold off of Amazon and it came in a 2-pack. This one and then another smaller oval tray, and I'll probably do a tutorial with that one later on in life. But today we're going to be making this one, so stick around and see how I made it. Alright, so I made up a ginormous batch of epoxy, and you can see it over here in the left in that big bucket down at the bottom of the screen. What I did was I mixed up the epoxy and then I poured into smaller cups, 8 ounces in one cup, 8 ounces in another cup. Then I'm taking this mica powder, and this mica powder is number 1 old, number 2 I got it very cheaply at a set on clearance at Sam's years ago. So it will not be linked in the description because I couldn't tell you where to find it. Same thing with the purple. But I just kind of took scoops of this mica powder and put it inside of the epoxy. And then I am just going to take it and I'm going to mix it up. There's really no rhyme or reason on how much to put in. It really is personal preference on how much colorant you want in your epoxy. So you'll see me, I just kind of mix it in. If I feel like it needs a little bit more, I put a little more in it. If I feel like I'm good with the color, then I am good with the color, and it, that's what we do. So I am going to mix in the white colorant, the white mica powder, and then also the purple mica powder. I will probably here in a moment kind of cut out some of me stirring, because you don't need to see me stirring for 5 minutes this epoxy. So at this point I realized it's not quite wide enough for me. I want a little bit more. So here I am just free-handing it, and then I dump in a whole ton of mica powder. So if you don't want to dump in a whole bunch, just get yourself a clean stick, and you see that I screwed my glove into the mica powder, so that was fun. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the purple mica powder. I am going to take it and I'm just going to pour some in and get it to the right colorant, the right depth of purple that I want. If you want a deeper purple, add in more mica powder. If you want a lighter purple, add in less. So it just really is going to go off how really what colors you want, how deep color you want, or if you want it to be a little bit more transparent. It's all up to you. So go with your heart, do what you want. Again, here in a moment, I am going to fast forward so that you don't have to watch me mix this up for a few minutes. here is the fun part. This is the part where you get to be as creative as you want or as generic as you want. I decided, since this was the first time that I was ever really working with this mold, I just kind of wanted to see what it looked like with kind of more of a 50-50 split. So I just took both of my colorants, picked them up at the same time, and just started to pour. So I'm trying to have them meet up in the middle, as close to the middle as possible. I mean, you know, it is what it is. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. No one's measuring it. And if they are, then that's weird and they need to move on with their life. But just pour it in and kind of go slow so that you don't accidentally overfill your mold, but go quick enough in order for the mold or the colorants to come together and join, so that, you know, your purple isn't 3/4 of the way over and your white only, you know, 1/4 of the way over. Or if that's the way you want it, do it that way. You really do get a lot of creative freedom while doing this. So next time what I think I will do is, I think that I will do more of like mixing them together kind of pattern. It came out beautiful with it being a 50-50 split, but now that I'm comfortable with it and I kind of know how this is gonna work and you know, just kind of getting my feet underneath me, I think that I will try to do more of a split and not a split, kind of do more of a design, but we'll see. So as you can see, I have poured it in and I've poured the epoxy all the way up to the top. You will see that I've got quite a bit left of epoxy of both the white and the purple. So I'm just continuing to fill it in to make sure that it is all the way up level to the top of the mold. Once I get there, I will have plenty of this left over, so you definitely don't need 8 ounces of white and 8 ounces of purple or whatever the colors are that you have. I want to say that I had like 3 ounces of each left over. So, you know, take that with what you will. I ended up using it with a different project that you guys will see in later weeks. So make as much as you want and use it on different projects. Now what I'm doing is, I didn't really love how it was just like a straight line. I kind of wanted it to blend more in the center. So I'm just taking a popsicle stick and I am just kind of making little swirls, making little designs. This will be the back of the tray. This is what will sit on your countertop. So you don't have to worry about making this as pretty as you think you need to, because this is going to sit down on the counter. The other side is the part that will be up. So I was really trying to get in there to, get it so that it mixed together. So here I am the next day and I am taking it out of the mold. I am just kind of peeling the sides of the mold off. And you'll see me here in a minute. I use my alcohol and I kind of spray it in there. It helps release the epoxy from the mold. You don't need a whole lot of alcohol. A little goes a long way. So once it gets down in there, it'll kind of spread out and it'll help release that mold from your epoxy. And then so I just finished pulling off that mold and here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. It turned out super, super cute. I love the way it turned out. It's actually currently sitting on my bathroom counter. It is holding all of my little knickknacks, my deodorant, my contact solution, my contact case, all that kind of stuff that was just kind of floating around on my counter. So here is what it looks like. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, if you wouldn't mind doing me a favor by liking this video and then also hitting that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. It helps me know that you guys are liking the content, and it just kind of makes me feel good. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And here it is. This is the final piece. I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. Like I said, I'm excited to try different things, kind of doing swirl motions, doing all different kinds of things. So Come back next time and see what I have to make for you guys then. Again, thank you guys for sticking around for this whole video. Again, please like, please subscribe, and I really, really hope that you guys have a great time watching these videos. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Do you like the colors together? Do you hate the colors? What do you think? Tell me. I want to know y'all's opinions. So leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys around. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Glitter with Susie Q. Don't forget to go to my website to shop the tumblers that I'm making, or go to the website to pick out your next best glitter. Thank you for watching this video, but there is a video suggested for you on the screen, and also there's a place for you to subscribe. So first hit that subscribe here button, and then go ahead and watch that next video that is being suggested for you on the screen. Have a great day. Thanks.